Alberta Dent Puller, powerful car dent puller, car dent removal kit, dent remover tool for car dent repair, glass, screen, tiles lifting, and objects moving. If you are looking for the best windshield repair kit to use, then look no further. Alberta Dent Puller, powerful car dent puller, car dent removal kit, dent remover tool for car dent repair, glass, screen, tiles lifting, and objects moving are available for you to purchase on Amazon. They only cost $16.99. The car dent puller are made for durable ABS material, durable natural rubber, and strong metal core. Dent removal kit thicken natural rubber on the bottom to provide strong suction and seamless. The soft rubber pad is gentle on surfaces and won't scratch the paint. A new combination of strong suction car dent remover, you can use suction to pop the car body back into position. 2 different sizes, colors, and suction power of the car dent puller kit. The maximum suction power reaches 165 pounds and the small one reaches 121 pounds. Different size of the dent puller can take care of different areas of car dents. Paintless dent repair kit is ergonomically designed and has the convenience of single-stroke pump operation. One-hand buckle design, precise structure, the pull strong and lasting, not easy deformation. Car dent removal tool is the ideal tool for moving flat objects in any home garage or professional body shop. Just put the car dent puller suction cup on an object surface and pull the handle up. So easily repaired car dent. If the dent is large, using 2 dent pullers at the same time may be more effective. The suction cup is a great car dent removal tool. In addition, this suction cup dent puller is good at moving furniture, glass, tiles, and etc. And it can be used as the door or window handle, cell phone holder, and so on. What are you waiting for? Get yours now. The link will be in the description for you to check out. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this.